But you know, it's like if you just feel overwhelmed about getting stuff for yourself, or if you're like starting in makeup and you just don't know what to getting boxes like these, then you just have things to try. And hi ladies, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to my channel if you're here for the first time. If you're on your level up journey, femininity journey, high programmers journey, or just want to become your best self, here at Goddessie, I talk about how to do those things through physical appearance, mindset, and divine femininity. In this video, I'm just sharing my latest beauty haul, things that I got for myself. I'm just gonna share my unboxing and a little review on some of the stuff that I got. If you saw my gift ideas video, you see this. This is actually a advent calendar, but I think it's more than that. It's just a box with beauty products. So I'm just gonna show the unboxing and share some of the stuff that I got. And this is the enzyme scrub. I love scrubs, so I'll try it. I do have a scrub that I love right now, but you know, I'm open to like finding ones that are better. Got these eyelashes. Haven't tried them yet. I don't usually like my lashes this long. I more go for lashes like these. That size, so you see the difference. But I'll still try them. They'll be good for videos, so that's cool. Nice lip liner. Face mask. I don't usually do like sheet masks, but I'll do them. I'm more of like a clay mask type of girl. And this is a rose oil. I don't usually use oil on my face, but I'll use it on my body, so that's cool. But like these two perfumes, they smell so good. And musk is like, it smells like the vanilla one, but it has more of a perfume vibe to it. I don't know if that makes any sense. This one is vanilla. It's yummy. It has like a warm smell. It's yummy. It's just yummy. I love these. I will be getting full size bottles. The only thing is that I don't think they last long on me, which is just a disappointment. But I love it too much to like not get it. It smells so good. And I love the bottles. They're simple and cute. Love this palette. If you haven't noticed by now, like I love natural looking makeup, and you know, give me all the nude palettes. I don't mind. And it's pretty colors. They have like nice shimmery colors as well, so that's cute. But another tip that I wanted to like give for you guys is like if you're new to the whole beauty thing, or like you feel overwhelmed about like what beauty products to get, like I do like this box because it's like a nice little starter kit if you're just getting into beauty. It's a nice little starter kit to like get started. So you got fragrances, you got lashes, you got eyeshadow palette, and then this liner duo. One of them is pencil, one of them is liquid, and I like that because sometimes you do want a pencil, sometimes you do want a liquid, so this is something good to have. But you know, it's like if you just feel overwhelmed about getting stuff for yourself, or if you're like starting in makeup and you just don't know what to get and just don't know where to start, like this is like getting boxes like these. If you can find it anywhere, if you see it from any makeup site, like just get them, and then you just have a start. Like you have things to try, and then you can try it. If you don't like it, then you know what you don't like and what you might be interested in instead. These are melted shadows. Like I personally, like I've never usually had like liquid eyeshadows, so this is even good for me. Like, I don't have to actually go and buy a singular. I most likely would not have, but now that it came in the box, I can try it, and then if I love it, I can get more, and if not, it is what it is. Nice matte lipstick. Need to have it out. And this lipstick, which I am wearing right now, I love it. I love a good red lipstick, sweetie. A proper red lipstick. It looks good on camera. Sometimes like I wear red lipsticks and I love it, but it just doesn't look that good on camera. But that one looks good on camera, so I love that. Of course, you know, the perfumes that I got, I also shared this in my gift guide video. I've used this one. I like it. It's very grown and sexy. I like it. It's nice. And I've also tried this one already. I love Good Girl so much, but I haven't really allowed myself to live in it as yet because I was focusing on this one. But I'll get into it. I'll get into the rest. Another one. They all smell good, honestly. I just need to give myself a chance to live in them. Alright, so that's it for my small beauty haul and unboxing. I just wanted to share it. I just love this box. I just want to share it. It's so cute. But yeah, that's it. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you guys so much for subscribing. I appreciate all my subscribers. I love you guys. And I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.